Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'll show you how you can do the SEO for your Shopify products. Suppose you are a dropshipper or you are a Shopify store owner or you have a products on your Shopify store, then you need to do the SEO for your Shopify products. So let me show you one by one what is the process and how you can do the SEO for your products. So first of all, here you can see I already added here all the information and all the right plan. Okay. So there is the option and some of the requirements you need to upload or you need to add a store in your browser, and after that you need to open it. You can see I already opened my Shopify store. Now you can see the first process is choose the right keywords. For choosing the right keywords, you can use Boostify. Boostify is an AI powered software that will help you to do the keyword research, then also the rank analyzer, then it will optimize your pages. Blog Studio, you can generate blog, you can do the internal linking and everything. You can see here is the Boostify. Let me introduce first Boostify, how you can do the everything for your website. You can see first of all here is the analytics option. If you integrated your website in this site, then you can see the full documentary of your analytical report. You can track your data, you can track your information, you can track your result and everything, and if you want then you can export the result. Okay, here you can see the top ranking pages and which pages are working well and which pages are very important for you and which pages are working well in the Google. Okay, you can see the impression, clicks, how many clicks you are getting, all of the result you can get from here. And you can see AI recommendation. AI recommendation always be delivered to your site, and what's the full approval information and how you can optimize your unoptimized information, unoptimized pages. They will give you the suggestion. Here are the recent blog posts, which blog posts are working and which blog post needs an action. Okay, so here is the AI recommendation site. You can get the AI recommendation for your meta description, title, H1 tag, image. H1 means heading tags, image, title, internal linkings. You can view all. If you see the view all meta description, which meta description you need to change, you can see suggestion. If you want to exclude it, then you can exclude, and also approve it, you can approve. Okay, just integrate your website here, and after that everything will be done by this tool. Okay, now let me go back to the information. You can see target the long tail keyword, buyer intent keyword. Like you can see I already added here vegan leather black handbag for women. Suppose this is my primary keyword. Okay, this is my primary keyword, and now I will optimize my product title. So how you can optimize your product title? First of all, you need to see add main keyword plus brand model or USP user. Okay, you can see add main keyword. So my main keyword is vegan leather black handbag for women, and here is the second option is you need to add your brand name. So here is my Shopify store. I will go back to the products and I'll click on the add product option. You can see here is my add product option. I will give you the step-by-step full integration plan for your optimizing title, optimizing description and everything. Okay, here is the add main keyword. So my main keyword is vegan leather black for women. So I will copy it, and after that I will add my brand. So vegan leather black handbag for women from Ronx. Ronx is my brand, Ronx. Okay, so I added my brand, and here is the keyword. Can you see that? So if you use keyword, that will help you to rank your website on higher. Okay, now here is the second step. You can see keep it readable and relevant. I already told you that eco-friendly black vegan leather handbag XYZ brand. XYZ brand mean your brand name, and after that you can add here. Okay, you can see I already added my full information, and always try to add your first word character in capital word. Okay, for all of the letter. Can you see that I already added? Okay, now here is the right unique product description. Avoid copy pasting from the manufacturer. This is the first rule. Include features and benefit, use cases, target keywords naturally. Okay, so for this you can use ChatGPT to write a professional product description so that it can help you to customize it. Okay, so let's open the ChatGPT, and then I'll tell him that this is my product name or title. Now write a professional product description with some keywords. You can see it will write professional product description with some keywords, and also you can see he is doing the key features and also keywords and others. Okay, so I'll copy them. You can see, just copy it, and then I'll go back to my Shopify, and here is the full information. Okay, so you can check from the ChatGPT. Customize meta titles and description in Shopify admin product edit SEO. This is the meta title option. You can see in the search engine listing. Here is the edit option. You can see here is the vegan title or page title. Vegan is my product name. Here is the meta description. You can edit here from the ChatGPT. You can tell, give me meta description. Then it will write a meta description for you, which will be SEO optimized. Okay, so here is the meta description I will add. Look, meta description will shown to your Google first page like a schema markup. You can see, I'll show you like Boostify. I'll search only Boostify. You can see here is the Boostify full schema markup. You can see here is the full schema markup, and here is the Boostify meta description. Here is the Boostify title. Okay, so this called meta description and meta title. So you need to write a meta description and meta title shortly and also simply. You can see here is the example. And optimize product images. Most of the time you are using non-optimized or unoptimized product images. You can see here is the images option. Here is the images option. How you can optimize your image? For optimizing your image, when you will upload an image here, suppose this one is my image, you can see you can click on the image, and after that here is the image. Let me finish the processing. Just click on this, and after that you can see the name of the image, all text. Then also if you want to crop or transform it, just write a name. Name will be your product title. Suppose this one is my product title, so the name will be my product title, and then the all text will be same. You can add the same information as all text. It will help you to do the image SEO. Okay, now here is the improve URL slug. URL slug means if you go to the product, then let me give you the example. Here is the URL handle. You can see vegan leather black handbag for women. So you need to add here URL slug. Just tell ChatGPT, give me the URL slug. It will give you the URL slug in professional and SEO friendly. You can see here is the URL slug. I copied, and after that I will add it here. So I don't need to add here the biggest URL handle. So you need to add those kind of URL handle. Those will help you to do the Shopify product SEO. Okay, now you can see add product, like adds product schema rich snippet. So you can use Shopify apps like JSON LOD for SEO, and also you can show star ratings, price and availability in search. If I go to the product, like I will search t-shirt, you can see when I search t-shirt, you can see here is one website called Daraz. You can see this t-shirt is showing in the Google, and also here is the February Life. This is another from website. You can see they are showing the ratings, they are showing the price, and they are showing the description, meta description, and also title. So if you want to do the same thing for your own products, then you can do the schema markup. Okay, it will help you to do the information. Enable and collect product reviews. All the time you can use the Judge Me or Yelpo or Looks for your Shopify reviews, because most of the time reviews are showing in Google search result. So you can use the tools or apps like reviews. Okay, then improve internal linking. Internal linking means, suppose if I go to my website, here is my website. You can see this website is my Shopify website, and also you can see if I click on this product, they will not redirect to me in another website. They are redirecting me in the same website. So if you click on the same website, when they will redirect you in the same website, if you click on the link then you can see here is the same website link. Okay, and this called internal linking. When you will click some link, then it will redirect you the same website, then you can call it is an internal link. Okay, now you can see here is the boost page speed or mobile friendliness. If I show you my website, then you can see here is my mobile friendly website. You can see all the information are showing correctly, and you can see my page speed is very good. If I show you by reloading this page, you can see it is reloading just for under 5 seconds, just 1 to 2 seconds it is taking the time for loading. Can you see that? So you can use some apps, fast Shopify themes, optimize image, limit heavy apps, and script. Okay, so these are the full processes for doing the Shopify product SEO. So if you feel this video is important, then you can subscribe, or if you feel you are using Shopify or Boostify, then I am telling you that integrate your website with Boostify, then you don't need to do anything by manually. It will do everything by their tools. Okay, so thank you very much.